We are now in the post-adpocalypse era of YouTube, which means a lot of YouTubers are still not making as much money as they were a couple of years ago. This unfortunately also means it's a lot harder for the smaller YouTubers to make any money at all. Hey guys, my name's Tennille and welcome to Shore Social, where I help you increase your YouTube views, subscribers, and revenue. Before we get started guys, make sure you are subscribed and check out the description down below because I have included a bunch of free resources down there too. In today's video, we're going to be going over 6 of the best ways you can earn money on YouTube and how you can incorporate these methods on your YouTube channel to increase your revenue. I will be listing these methods in order of their potential revenue, so from the least amount to the most amount. AdSense is the basic way to earn money on YouTube. You earn roughly $2 per 1,000 views. But YouTube has unfortunately recently changed the monetization requirements for you to opt in and monetize your content. You now need 4,000 minutes of watch time and a total of 1,000 subscribers within a 12-month period. If you do have the minimum requirements, make sure you have monetization enabled and go ahead and monetize your videos. Ad placement will depend on your video length and audience retention. So that means you will have to test it out and see what works best for you. I do highly suggest to not just overflow your videos with ads, as this will deter your subscribers and potential subscribers. Keep in mind, AdSense on YouTube is not a great way to earn a large sum of money. This is due to the recent influx in people using ad blockers, so do keep that in mind. The second way to make money on YouTube is by selling physical products. This can be your personal merchandise like t-shirts, accessories like phone cases or something that's important within your niche, or dropshipping through a website like Shopify. There are plenty of websites out there that'll let you personalize your own merch online, and you will never have to deal with physically having to ship any products to your subscribers. These stores include shops like Teespring, Spreadshirt, or Designed by Humans. There are plenty more out there though, so you do your research before you set one up. A lot of YouTubers decide not to go the route of personalized merch. Instead, they choose to create their own store and sell items that they use themselves. Whether it's makeup, tech items, accessories, you name it, you can find it online, make a store, and sell it. The most popular way to do this is by opening a Shopify store, heading to a website like AliExpress, finding a product within your niche, and simply turning it into a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is really popular because you never physically have to deal with the items. You simply get an order on your website, then go to AliExpress and place your own order, but instead of entering your details, you enter your customer's details. That means they get the item. Make sure though that you're always sending these products through as an e-packet. If you would like me to create a video about dropshipping in a more in-depth way, then leave me a comment down below guys. Once the adpocalypse flew through YouTube, many creators jumped on a platform called Patreon. This platform simply allowed them to give out exclusive content to those viewers that paid for it monthly. Think of it as like a Netflix or Spotify subscription, but for your favorite YouTuber. YouTube does have their own option of this. It is called Sponsor. But I think creators preferred platforms like Patreon because YouTube had no say in what the creators could and could not do outside of YouTube. Did you know that companies pay influencers or large personalities to represent their brand? It is most commonly seen in sports, like athletes wearing branded gear and getting paid to be seen in it. Companies actually do the same with YouTubers. The most popular way to represent a brand would be through a product review, demonstration, or even a tutorial. You do have to keep in mind, if you are representing a brand, they tend to only want you to say good things about their product and brand, which is why some influencers or YouTubers get caught out when they're representing really horrible brands and their viewers find out. So make sure if you do get contacted by a brand for a possible sponsorship that you and your audience are both comfortable with the agreement. Affiliate marketing alone has been one of the most popular ways to earn money online in general. I don't think I'll be able to cover every aspect of affiliate marketing in this video, so please let me know if you want to hear more from me about it. Now, affiliate marketing is basically a way for you to sell someone else's product and get a commission on that sale. But the reason people tend to fail is they cannot get enough traffic to click their referral link and then make a sale. There are a few ways you can promote your referral links and close sales. You can do this for free through your social media accounts if you already have a following, through product reviews, tutorials, images, etc. Or you can promote it through your own website. And there are plenty of all-in-one tools online that can do this for you, from landing pages to emailing lists to sales pages. In the description down below, guys, I'll link you to two of the best all-in-one tools that I've found, ClickFunnels and Builderall. But where do you get these products to sell so you can become an affiliate marketer? There are plenty of websites out there that advertise affiliate marketing, but the only one I've managed to have success through, as well as ease of use and profitability, is ClickBank. Another simple way to earn money through affiliate marketing is through Amazon Associates. And this one's probably the most popular on YouTube. You essentially link products and then get a commission for those products. The amazing thing though about Amazon Associates is if someone clicks your link and then purchases anything from Amazon within 24 hours, you get a commission from that product, even if it wasn't something you've linked in the first place. Well, I hope you found this video super helpful, guys. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you never miss out on a future video. If you would like to watch some more content of mine, I highly suggest the videos to my left. Other than that, guys, have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.